Have you ever felt like your emotions control you instead of the other way around? One moment you're calm. The next, you're overwhelmed with anger, stress, or anxiety. But what if I told you that true power lies in mastering your emotions? Imagine being unshaken, no matter what life throws at you. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful lessons that will help you gain complete emotional control and achieve inner peace. Stay with me till the end because these lessons can truly transform your life. Lesson 1. Control your reactions. You can't control what happens to you, but you can always control how you react. The strongest people don't let emotions dictate their actions. Next time you feel anger or frustration, take a deep breath, pause, and respond with logic, not impulse. Lesson 2. Don't chase, attract. The more you chase something, whether it's success, love, or respect, the more it runs away. Instead, focus on improving yourself. When you become valuable, everything you desire will naturally come to you. Lesson 3. Silence is power. Not every battle deserves a reaction. Sometimes the best response is silence. When you stay quiet, you gain control over the situation and over your emotions. Lesson 4. Embrace solitude. Being comfortable alone is a superpower. Most people seek distractions to avoid facing themselves. But true strength comes from embracing solitude, using that time to reflect, grow, and build yourself. Lesson 5. Don't let others control your mood. If someone can make you angry, sad, or anxious, they have power over you. Take back control by choosing how you react. Never let someone else's words or actions define your emotional state. Lesson 6. Detach from outcomes. Suffering comes from attachment. The more you obsess over a result, the more stress you create. Do your best, but detach from the outcome. Peace comes when you trust the process, not just the result. Lesson 7. Turn pain into power. Hard times don't break you, they shape you. Every struggle is an opportunity to become stronger. Instead of complaining, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Use pain as fuel to grow. Lesson 8. Master emotional discipline. Discipline isn't just about habits. It's about emotions too. Don't let a bad mood ruin your day. Train yourself to stay calm, positive, and focused no matter what happens. Lesson 9. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves your time or attention. Cut off toxic people, ignore negativity, and surround yourself with those who uplift you. Your energy is precious. Guard it. Lesson 10. Stay unshaken. No matter what life throws at you, remain steady. True strength isn't about never feeling emotions. It's about not letting them control you. Stay focused, stay strong, and remember, you are in control. Which of these lessons resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Stay strong, stay in control, and keep mastering yourself.